Hi everybody, this is Oliver from blendtuts.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to organize your scene in Blender. Okay, if you're working on a very complex scene with a lot of objects, you will need some ways to keep them organized so you don't become insane. So I have here a little scene with 3 different monkey meshes, and we are going to see how to organize them. Okay, I will be using the layers, the scenes, and the groups. Okay, so let's start with the layers. The layers are these little squares down here on the header, and well, the little circles into them are the grays one, represent that there are actually objects into that layer. Okay, and the yellow one is that the selected object is on that layer. Okay, so how can you change the layers that are shown? Well, just left click on them, okay, or just shift and click on them to show more than one at the same time. Alright, now also you can press the numbers on the keyboard, not in the numpad. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 0, okay, which is the layer number 10. And now for the second line of them, from the 11th to the 20th, you will need to press Alt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Right, so let's go again to the layer 1. And how you can change an object to another layer? Well, you select the object, press M, and here you click the layers where you want the object to exist. The cool thing about this is that the same object can exist on more than one layer at the same time. So you can press M, shift and left click another layer. Okay, for example, the layer number 3. So if you turn on the layer 3, the rest of the objects will be hidden, but that one which exists on this layer will be shown. Okay, if you go to a layer where there is nothing, nothing will be shown, obviously. Alright, so you can select another object and put it on the layer 2. Okay, so now as you can see, this is pretty interesting. Right. Let's put this again to the layer 1. Right, now I'm going to create now groups, so you can see how to organize objects in groups. So I have this one here. Just select the object or the group of objects that you want to become a group. Press Ctrl G and name the group something like Red Monkey Group. Okay, now let's go to this one, Ctrl G again, and Blue Monkey Group, and this one here, Ctrl G, and Green Monkey Group. Also, you can select them all, create a new group, and name it All Alright, now you can add or create objects from a group. For example, if I go to this red monkey, well, it's not actually red, but well, you understand me. Okay, the red monkey, let's go to the object panel here, and here in the groups sub-panel we have the groups to which this object is inside them. Okay, so here for example it's not red monkey, it's monkey group. Okay, so if you want to create an object from a group, you can go here and press this cross. Alright, now we can press again add group, and this will show up this list of existent group groups on the scene. Okay, so for example, all monkeys, and it will become again part of the all monkeys group. Also, if you want to create a new group from here, you can. Okay, you can click this here, which is add new group. Here you are, and a new group will appear here. Right, so let's call it how you want, or just quit it. Now, for taking a look at all the groups in the scene, you can go here to the outline, and here let's select groups. So here you have all the groups that you have in the scene. Okay, so if you select the group, you will select all the objects into this group. For example, red monkey group will select the red monkey, green monkey, blue monkey, or all monkeys. Okay, this is very useful when you have an object that has a lot of parts, and all that parts become a group. So you can select here a group, and all the parts of that object will be selected. Okay, this is very useful for complex scenes. Also, you can use this for actually hide objects or hide groups and make them selectable or unselectable, or renderable or not renderable. Right, so for example, if we want to hide the red monkey, let's go here and hide it, and it's hidden. That's one. Or here all the monkeys will be hidden. As the objects become to these groups, if we change one of these parameters into one group, the other ones will reflect that change. Okay, so if this group has only an object and it's hidden from another group, it will be hidden also. Right, so well, we can also expand this to see all the objects into that group and select them by the name. Okay, which is very cool. Or hide them from here, or for example make the green monkey unselectable, so now I cannot select it. Even I make this, it's not selected. This is very useful. I love it. Right, so now we have the groups explained. Let's explain the scenes, okay, in Blender. So here we have the scenes panel. I will call it, this is scene all monkeys. Alright, and now let's create another scene, which will be an empty scene. This will be red monkey. Right, let's go to the all monkeys scene, select the red one, press Ctrl L, and we can make a link to the object to a scene, to the red monkey scene. Here is a list of all the scenes in this project. So let's go to red monkey, and now if we change to the red monkey scene, we only see the red monkey. Okay, the cool thing about this is that if we change something here, like this for example, this will be reflected on the rest of the scenes in which that object is linked to. Alright, so this is very useful when you have for example a lot of characters in a scene, so you can put each character separately into one scene and then create another scene where all the characters are linked. Alright, so this is very useful. Also, you can go to the red monkey scene and change something on the edit mode, like this, a horn there, right? Exit the edit mode, go again to the all monkeys scene, and here is the change. Right? What else? Well, we can create a full copy of a scene, right? So let's click here, full copy. Now all monkeys 001. Okay, I'm going to name this all monkeys full copy to have a difference between the two scenes all monkeys. Right, so all monkeys full copy is an entire copy of the first scene, but it's not linked. So if I change something here, it will not be reflected on the all monkeys scene, because these are just a copy of the other one, so they are not linked anymore. If you want them to be linked, you need to press here and link objects. So now all monkeys linked will reflect change. All monkeys, they reflect the change. Okay, all monkeys linked. Now if you want an object not to be linked anymore, just press U and make single user object, or object and OB data in this case, because the OB data is the edit mode, for calling it some way. Right, this is the object, but when you enter in the edit mode, this mesh is the data. Right, so the normal is to make the object and the OB data single users. Right, so now if we change this, the all monkeys will not reflect this, but will reflect this one. There you have it. Also, if you change something here in the edit mode, it will not be changed. Alright, there you have it. But let's try with this one. If you make a single user only for the object, the OB data will be linked. So we can change the position of this object here, and it will not be reflected here. But if we change on this scene the mesh, it actually will be reflected here or here. Right, so this is quite tricky, but very useful and very powerful once you know how to use it. And well, with these three monkeys with these three ways of organizing your scene, I think you can do quite interesting scenes with a lot of objects and keep them organized, so well, you don't become insane, and well, you work with some comfortable way, right? So well, this is all for now. See you on the next tutorial, and happy blending!